Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true piece of late 1950s American automotive history, the 1959 Pontiac Catalina 389. This car not only marked a turning point for Pontiac as a brand but also carried one of the most iconic engines of the muscle car era, the legendary 389 V8. Let's take a closer look at its exterior design, interior features, performance, and finally, wrap it all up with a conclusion. Starting with the exterior. The 1959 Catalina stood out with its bold, futuristic design. This was the first year Pontiac adopted the new, wide track stance, meaning the wheels were set farther apart for better handling and a stronger presence on the road. The front end featured a wide split grille, dual headlights, and a clean chrome finish that gave it a powerful yet elegant look. Out back, you had dramatic sculpted fins, round taillights, and a long, low profile that perfectly captured the late 1950s style. Available as a sedan, coupe, convertible, and even a station wagon, the Catalina had a body style for almost every buyer. Its proportions and wide stance made it look aggressive yet refined, truly ahead of its time. Moving to the interior. Step inside the 1959 Pontiac Catalina and you're welcomed by a spacious, comfortable cabin built for long American road trips. The dash featured simple yet stylish gauges with chrome accents and horizontal speedometer layouts, typical of the late 50s. Bench seats came standard, upholstered in vinyl or cloth, with enough room to fit 6 passengers comfortably. Options included power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and a push-button radio, features that felt futuristic in their day. The Catalina blended practicality with flair, giving families comfort while still providing that classic Pontiac luxury vibe. Now, let's talk performance, the heart of this machine. Under the hood sat the 389 cubic inch V8, which would go on to become one of the most legendary engines in Pontiac history. In 1959, it was offered in various configurations, starting around 215 horsepower and going all the way up to over 300 horsepower, depending on carburetor setup. This engine laid the groundwork for Pontiac's high-performance image throughout the 1960s, especially with the rise of the GTO just a few years later. Buyers could pair it with a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or a 4-speed hydraulic automatic transmission. Thanks to the new wide-track chassis, the Catalina handled better than many of its rivals, offering improved cornering stability without sacrificing the smooth ride American cars were known for. Conclusion. The 1959 Pontiac Catalina 389 was more than just a car, it was the beginning of Pontiac's performance identity. With its bold styling, wide track stance, comfortable interior, and the powerhouse 389 V8, it set the stage for the muscle car revolution of the 1960s. Today, it remains a sought-after classic, not only for its looks but for being the foundation of Pontiac's golden era. If you're a fan of vintage American cars, the 1959 Catalina is a must-know, and if you ever see one on the road, you're looking at a true icon of mid-century automotive design. So, what do you think of the 1959 Pontiac Catalina 389? Would you take this wide-track beauty for a spin? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more classic car deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.